Are you also confused between for loop and while loop? Let's understand using a simple program in Python. So here you can see I've just created a very simple program. I've just imported a library random. All right, few basic print statements you can use. Okay, so here you can see I've added a for loop. Okay, so for I in range, as of now I've given range 5, and I'm just printing here as a donut collector. So I've just taken a print statement where every time the loop increases, all right, it is going to just print which number of donut has been collected. So here the loop runs for 5 times. Okay, now let's go next and see how while loop works over here. Okay, so for while loop, I've taken a variable donut collected as 0. Okay, and the stomach limit, that is how much donuts you can collect, using random function. So I'm just generating a number between 4 and 10, and I've here taken a while loop where donut collected variable, okay, this loop is going to run till the donut collected variable is less than your stomach limit. All right, and stomach limit will be randomly generated. So every time the donut collected variable increases by 1, and that thing is getting printed over here. All right, so this while loop is actually going to run till it reaches the limit of stomach, this variable that we have taken over here. Okay, let's run the code and understand this thing. So here you can see, because we have taken for loop the range as 5, donut collected, the print statement will run only 5 times. All right, but while loop, here you can see, because the number was generated between 4 and 10, here it is running for 10 times. So this is the difference between for and while loop. Basically, you use for loop when you know how many times you have to run the loops, and you use while loop when you're not sure about how many times it should run. So comment below which other doubts would you like me to clear it in Python.